How does psycholinguistics explain syntactic parsing? Have you ever wondered how our brains make sense of sentences? The field of psycholinguistics dives into this fascinating question. Today, we will explore how psycholinguistics explains syntactic parsing. Syntactic parsing is the mental process that helps us analyze and organize the grammatical structure of sentences. It reveals how words relate to one another in a meaningful way. When we parse a sentence, our brains look for cues and apply specific rules to create a mental picture of the sentence's structure. This structure is essential for understanding meaning. Let's break down some key terms. First, syntax refers to the rules that govern how words and phrases are arranged in a language. Syntactic parsing specifically focuses on analyzing this arrangement. The mental model we create while parsing is known as syntactic structure. It shows how words in a sentence connect and depend on each other. Another important concept is thematic roles. These roles assign labels to parts of a sentence based on their function. For example, in the sentence, John drinks milk, John acts as the agent while milk is the patient. Psycholinguists study how people parse sentences in real time. They often use sentences that can be tricky or misleading, like garden path sentences. These sentences initially lead us to one interpretation but requiring us to rethink our understanding. For instance, consider the sentence, "Because he always jogs a mile seems a short distance to him." At first, it suggests a mile belongs to the initial phrase but needs reanalysis as the sentence continues. One key principle in parsing is late closure. This means our brains tend to attach new words to the current phrase being processed for as long as possible. This can lead to temporary confusion while reading. From a psycholinguistic perspective, syntactic parsing goes beyond just applying fixed grammatical rules. It involves predicting and updating sentence structure based on new words and context. Our brains use cues and prior knowledge to anticipate how words fit together. This makes parsing an active and dynamic process. In essence, psycholinguistics views syntactic parsing as the mental operation that organizes words into a coherent grammatical structure. It relies on syntactic rules, thematic roles, and strategies like late closure. This process enables us to quickly and efficiently understand complex sentences, even when they are ambiguous. For example, when we read the sentence, "The old man the boats," we might initially feel confused. Our brains try to interpret old as an adjective, but we must rethink man as a verb to grasp the sentence correctly. Understanding syntactic parsing helps us appreciate the amazing capabilities of our minds when it comes to language.